Phoenix is fantastic. You know, I was kind of deciding between two markets when I was deciding about law school, and I'd already lived here, and it's got everything. My name's Ryan McPhee. I'm a criminal defense attorney. I was a prosecutor for a couple of years before doing defense, and that was on purpose. You know, if you want to learn how to knock down a house, it helps to know how to build it first. People need good help, and that's our number one focus, is to be the best firm, give the absolute best representation. And I've learned that a big piece of that is having a good, solid business for your firm.
It's not an easy thing to do, to be able to practice law and to also run the business, but we figured out how to do it.
You know, there's kind of two pieces to it. There's systems and processes on how we run things, and then there's software to track it and push it along and make sure it's going well, because you have to have both. So biggest challenges was, it's just silly stuff. We weren't really following up with people.
Owning and running and managing that firm has made my time much, much more limited. So I don't have time to worry about how we are managing potential clients and ongoing clients.
We loved Lawmatics automations, the ability to just follow up by text and email, and immediately.
After we do a consultation, we can set things up to where they get text messages or emails, or they can pop up in a task list for us to do, and we're able to retain as many prospective clients as possible.
Let's say you do your follow-up and you get 2 or 3 or 1 extra case because of that follow-up with no extra money, no extra marketing, no extra employees. It's skyrocketed, our ability to be profitable on that.
And then it also helps us to prioritize, what leads are the most important, which ones are most likely to hire.
People are just like, thank you so much. You're the only ones that have followed up.
It's nice when you don't even notice that Lawmatics is there, and it just becomes part of what the business does and what the practice does.
This has been a big piece to us being able to grow, to us being able to accomplish what we've been able to accomplish.
We're on a growth trajectory that is really unbelievable, and part of that success I will attribute to Lawmatics and its ability to help us get to this point in terms of bringing on clients and retaining those clients.
So our plan in Arizona is to be the biggest, best criminal defense firm, hands down. So we plan to add at least a couple of offices. We want to grow significantly as far as our staff, but also our revenue. Right now we've exploded over the last 3 years, but our goal is to be a $15 to $20 million firm. And Lawmatics, we anticipate, is going to be a big part of that.